Hey peeps, so for today's lesson in Learn Jamaican, we are going to be asking a question and making a statement, I guess, state something. So, standard English, my name is Janice. What is yours? Well, what is your name? Okay, my name is Janice, which my name is Janice. What is yours? Okay, now the Jamaican part. Me name Janice. Wa fi your name? Me name Janice. Wa fi your name? Or we can say it like this in Jamaican as well. Me name Janice. Where you name? Where your name? We don't always say what for your name. We say where your name. It's the same thing. We're asking the same question. What is your name? What is yours? What for your name? So, my name is Janice. What is yours? Me name Janice. What for your name? Me name Janice. What for your name? Me name Janice. Where you name? Where me my name is Janice. My name Janice. What yours, or what's is yours? Fi you. What is yours? My name Janice. Wafia. My name Janice. Where you name? We can say it both ways. My name Janice. Wafia. My name Janice. Where you name? So that's our lesson, and as always, I try to put the written translation in the description so you could read along, seeing it while you're listening to it, so it will make more sense, I guess, probably faster. And as I've said in my videos before, I don't know how to write Jamaican, but all I know is that we write it the way we pronounce words. So I'm fluent speaking it, but to write it, because we don't learn it, I am not. So my name is Janice. What's your name? My name Janice. What for your name? My name Janice. What you name? My name is Janice. What's your name? Or what's yours? My name Janice. What for your name? My name Janice. Where you name? Okay, and that's it. See you next time, and always be well and do what you do, like shit, whatever it is. Or you can always revisit. You don't have to subscribe, like, or nothing like that. Just you can revisit whenever you are in the mood to learn a little Jamaican lingo. So thank you, and see you next time. Bye.